Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that you're back, and for those subscribers that are new, welcome. If you don't know who I am yet, I'm Monique. Anyway, let's get started. Today I'm very excited because I really wanted this camera for a while, because I'm always traveling a little bit with the family and then also for vlogging purposes. So I finally got the Sony A5100. Yay! Let's see what we have in here. We have the instruction manual and some other little pamphlets. Lenses that will go well with the Sony A5100. Okay? Some more manuals like warranty. What came inside? Look at this. So it does come with a few things. An AC adapter. And of course the strap that goes with the camera. And then of course the USB cable, which is this one. So let's see what else, and I think that's about it. And then of course, guess what we will find here? The camera! It comes in a nice little cover, which I like to protect it. There we go. And I selected the black one. Oh my! I really thought that it was gonna be bigger. Wow, it's very small. And look how it fits. Look, I can easily hold it with my hand. Wow, I hope you could see it. Look at that, you can fit it pretty well. Knock this off. And then you can take this lens off right here. And then of course, flip-on screen. I love the flip-on screen. That is why I got it. So you can take some pictures of yourself, some selfies, and then also you can film yourself. And the movie button right here. Turn on, off switch right here. So far it's very handy. I like how it's easy to maneuver. It's small, it will fit in my purse, you know, or my handbag. So I like it. Look at this. Oh, this is a cute one. I love how you can flip it back and forth, up and down. Right there. And I have to try it out for you guys. This way you can see the difference. But I have to charge the battery. So right now, I haven't charged the battery yet. So once I have charged it, I will show you guys the difference, how it looks like, and pretty sure you guys will see a lot of vlogs. So be ready for it. Now I hope you like it. I'm not an expert. I'm just, you know, a mom and a vlogger that be able to help you guys. So just to let you know, I'm not an expert. So I'm just learning as well. So I will be testing this. So anyway, until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Bye everybody.